Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be discussing about plagiarism and similarity and how to check them. Basically both the terms plagiarism and similarity has been used synonymously in most of the cases, but they are different. Plagiarism refer to taking others' material, entire paragraph or entire sentence as it is and using it in our text. However, similarity refers to that if there are some words that are matching within the sentence with the already published source. So these words, if they are larger in number, then they account for similarity. Nowadays, most of the research articles, research journals, and even thesis submission requires that we have similarity less than certain percentage. So for this, most commonly used software is Turnitin software, which is a software designed in 1997, and it is a very costly software. So individual purchasing is not possible. Usually license for this is bought by the institute and provided to their instructors. So we will move towards the Turnitin software interface, and we will be working on the settings, how we can develop the settings so that we can easily check the research articles and thesis without it being copied to the repositories. So suppose we have this interface, and here we can go to add class. So this interface will pop up. Use class type as standard. You can type any name to this class. Suppose we say research. Then enrollment key, any enrollment key you can use. Suppose we say scholars, we are using enrollment key. Subject area, suppose we are taking career or technical, or suppose engineering we are taking. Then student levels, we can select any one of them. So we are taking postgraduate level. Class start date and end date. Then you click on the submit button. After you submit it, you will have the class ID and enrollment key. Again click continue. So this class has been created here. Click on this and then click on the add assignment. Once you click on this add assignment, you will get an interface for settings. This will take few seconds. Then we will have the options where we can do the settings, how to check the similarity. So you can have assignment title, then start date and end date. We have optional setting. Click on this optional setting. If any special instructions you have to give, you can give here. You can allow the submissions after due date, yes. Then similarity report, generate similarity reports for submission, click yes. Then the most important setting here is that exclude bibliographic materials from similarity index for all papers in this assignment. If you click yes, then the references will be removed from the checking. Otherwise references, if you click no, then all references will also be checked. So for research articles and thesis, we click here yes, because bibliographic material is excluded from similarity. Exclude quoted material from similarity index for all papers in this assignment. Usually the quoted material is not considered in similarity, so it is also excluded. Exclude small sources, you can exclude. And now here you can set the number of set source exclusion threshold. If the number of words matching your article from other source are less than 8, you can exclude that. You can set here 6 or 8 or 10, whatever you want. So in this way you can increase or decrease the number of word count where we can have similarity. If the similarity with the article, if we put it as 10, if the article has similarity with some source having 9 words similar to your article, then it will not be counted. The source having 10 or greater than 10, suppose 11, that will be counted here for similarity. If you exclude small sources, then this option will come up. If you don't exclude small sources, then this option won't come up. So in this way you can exclude smaller sources that is having similarity less than 10 words. Allow students to see the similarity report. Then the most important setting is this one: submit papers to no repository or standard paper repository. So if you click on the no repository, your paper won't be submitted anywhere. This is the most important setting. If you click on this standard paper repository, so once you have checked the similarity, your paper will be submitted to the system. And then when you suppose you get a higher similarity and you want to recheck the paper, then when you will put that paper again in the system, then it will show 100% similarity because your paper has already been submitted. So this is the most critical part. You should select no repository so that it is not submitted, your paper is not submitted to the system. Then search options. In this you have to search all the student paper repository, current and archive, internet, periodicals, journals and publications. And then you have some optional settings like grammar checking and English grammar checking, spellings and all this. Would you like to save these options as your default for future assignment? For all the assignments you can have this setting by clicking here. If you don't, then you have to check for each and every assignment. So after these settings, you click submit. Okay, there is something missing, so we can check assignment title. Suppose we are having sample, so assignment title has been provided. Now you click submit. Now this has been created. Now this class has been created, research class homepage. Now go here and click on more action and click on submit. Now you can submit your paper. Then you require to name the author. You can write any first name, suppose and last name. And your submission title. What is your submission title? Suppose I have title hydrometry. Then here again check that the file you are submitting will not be added to any repository. This is the most important thing. Before submitting you should check this, that our file is not getting submitted to any repository. And now you can choose the file from Dropbox or from Google Drive or from computer. Suppose we are selecting from our computer the file for checking the plagiarism. Suppose we have this file here, revised manuscript. Open this file and click on the upload. Now it is uploading. Now you can see the preview of the file here. It will ask for to confirm. We will confirm that this is the same file we want to check the plagiarism. Click on the confirm button. Then you can see here it is telling all the characteristics that this has 13 pages and 2579 words, and character counts and submission ID, all the things are available here. Now you can go to the assignment inbox. Now it has checked the similarity, it has come as 9%. It is shown in the form of green. Otherwise higher similarities are shown in yellow and red color. Now you can click on this. The similarity report will be generated. You can see the similarity report here. The similarity will be shown with respect to the with different colors from different sources. So all the colored portion or highlighted portion has similarity, and the sources of similarity you can find here. You can find this similarity 9%, from 1% is from this source, internet source, this paper, and approximately 1% from this. Similarly, you can check all the sources that from where the similarity has come. So in this way you can check the similarity, and you will get the you can download this preview, and this will be in the colored form, so you can modify the text that is highlighted or colored and reduce the similarity. In this way we can use this Turnitin software to check the similarity and improve our text or thesis that we are submitting. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel